Hi, and welcome to another ZarMoney training session. In this module, we'll be going over what a sales tax adjustment is and how to process it. When you make sales tax adjustments, you move money into or out of your sales tax liability account. You may adjust your sales tax liability for reasons like a credit for previous overpayment or early payment discount given by your sales tax agency, a fine charged to you by your tax agency for late or non-payment in the previous tax year, corrections to sales in a previous period, rounding differences between ZarMoney and your sales tax forms, or a sales tax holiday declared by your agency. Okay, let's go through an example of a sales tax adjustment. From any screen in ZarMoney, go to the top bar navigation and hover over Company. From the drop-down, select Sales Taxes. A left-hand sidebar will pop up and you want to select Sales Tax Adjustment. Make sure to enter the date of the adjustment and you want to select the appropriate account. For this example, I'm going to choose tax penalties for my account. If you're recording the adjustment to sales taxes because of a discount or credit, you're going to want to choose an income account. But if you're recording your sales tax adjustment because of a penalty or fine, you'll want to choose an expense account. So in order to adjust your sales tax payable, you're going to change the amount due from what you originally thought it was going to be to the new amount. In the last column, the adjusted amount is the amount that will be recorded in the tax penalties account. Okay, once everything looks great, click Adjust Taxes. I'm going to go to the Reports navigation, select Company and Financials, and I'm going to navigate to my profit and loss. I'm going to scroll down to Other Expenses and click my tax penalty expense. And there you go, there's our sales tax adjustment. Let's go to our sales tax payable account from our balance sheet. I'm going to filter by sales tax adjustment. Okay, and here's our adjustment. And there you have it. Here's our adjustment account. That's on the other side of the sales tax payable adjustment. Okay, that's all for this training session. For more help, visit us at ZarMoney.com.